Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to create this cool text animation using Remotion, a React-based video framework. We'll animate each letter of the word with bounce, rotation, and a smooth entrance step by step. Let's start by setting up a new Remotion project. Just run this in your terminal. npx create Remotion at latest my animation. cd my animation. npm install. Now inside the src folder, create a file called testinganimation.tsx. In this file, we'll create the actual animation component that animates each letter of the word testing. We start by importing useCurrentFrame, interpolate, spring, and useVideoConfig from Remotion. These allow us to animate elements based on the current video frame. Then we split the word testing into an array of letters. This lets us apply separate animations to each character. Inside our React component, we access the current frame in FPS using Remotion hooks. We return a flex container to center everything. The animation applies a rotate, translate, and scale to each letter, with spring physics to make the motion smooth. Each letter appears one by one with a small delay, creating a bouncy, staggered text animation. You can customize the animation easily. Try changing the word, font, or even adding emojis or icons. Next, we register this animation in a video composition. Create a new file called video.tsx in the src folder. Here we use Remotion's composition component to tell it what to render, how long, and at what resolution. We link it to our testing animation, set 90 frames at 30 fps, and define the video width and height. Now we need to register the root of our Remotion project. Inside src/remotion/mycomp, create two files, root.tsx and index.ts. In index.ts, we import register root from Remotion and pass in our Remotion root component. This step is required to register our component tree with Remotion's rendering engine. And that's it. Our animation is now fully connected and ready to preview. In root.tsx, we create a React functional component that returns our main composition, Remotion video. This component acts as the top-level entry point that Remotion will render. Now it's time to see it in action. Run this command in your terminal to open the Remotion preview. It launches in your browser and plays the animation with live control. Super useful for checking your timing and transitions. Now it's time to export your animation to a real video file. Just run this Remotion render command in your terminal. This will generate an MP4 file with your animation and save it to the output folder. And that's it. You've just built a Remotion animation from scratch. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what animation you want to see next. And happy coding!